All right, guys, this is round 2 of oxidizing your charm, reoxidizing. I'm trying to get a good look at it so we can get a good before. You can see that it's faded in here, all over really. Let me get a comparison. Alright, so here's the look at both typewriter charms. The one on the right, you can see has all of its oxidation in all the right spots. This one here is pretty worn out and doesn't have any oxidation at all, so I don't know what this person used to clean it with. Let me grab that. Sorry I'm so clumsy, but this is another look at it, and this is the one that's on my charm bracelet currently. I'm going to fix this one and sell it. Okay, I'm trying to get a better look at this. This is after I boiled the egg and let it sit in there for about an hour. You can see in that little half circle there, it's darker. It's even darker at this top here, and a little bit through the letters of the typewriter. But I would still like it to be a little bit more in there. But I'm not going to do this again. I'm just going to post it for sale. The last one I sold it for about $215. I keep dropping this charm. No one's going to want to buy it if they know that I've dropped it. But here's a look at it. The process was boil 2 eggs for about 10 minutes. Then I put it in a Ziploc bag, closed it, and I did cut the eggs open. So this is the end result. Let me know what you think in the comments. I think it could go for another round, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and post it for sale. Thanks for watching, everyone.